Hello and welcome to another part in our tutorial in creating our complex Android app, connecting with Firebase and everything working together. So, until now, what we did is created a user in our Firebase side here and log in to that user, which is nice. But what really interests us is to allow the user to create his own user from here, log in to register, and then log in. That's what we really want to do, okay? So how do we do all that? We, from a designing point of view, what we will do is create subsections inside our visible element, which means we will add here a container, okay? Let's call it, we can create another sub constraint layout if we want to. So we can add, sorry, there is no option. Let's see if it's in the layouts. Okay, so we will add a sub constraint layout, okay? Something that's gonna be, it's gonna be a child of the one here, up here, which we want it to contain all the elements that we just defined here. Okay, we just moved it. Okay, it's giving us all kind of the view. It's only okay. Don't worry. And here, to fix the problems we are having, we will define that the constraints of this one are on all the screen. We want this constraint to cover all the screen. Okay, we just added a child here, a child element. Now, because we moved it, it lost all the constraints. We have to add it again. Okay, we're going to add this here, here, here. We're gonna add this here, 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 and here. We're gonna add this here, 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 and here, and we're gonna add this here as well, here, 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 and here. And sadly, because we did it in a different order, now it's not really showing very well the distance. Okay, if we try to execute, let's see what happens. Well, this is completely a design problem, so I really am not gonna stop much around it. Let's hope if it shows everything, then it's good for me. I'm not okay. It's showing everything. It fails because it doesn't have. Don't worry about it. Okay, but okay, it's showing the same thing that before, so I'm not really going to give it another thinking. Okay, constraints. That's the first one. Okay, what we're going to do is add another one under it here. This is not the child of this one. This is the brother. They're like siblings. There's gonna be two of them. One as well here. Let's see if I can add it, all the constraints. One will be in charge of the login view. The other will be in charge of the sign up view. And why I'm doing it? First, I'm gonna call it CL, constraints layout login. Sorry, it added, okay, this space here. I don't know what's adding the space here. This one will be called CL sign up. And the difference is that the login one will show the login visual elements, while the sign up one will show the necessary visual elements to sign up. Okay. And I'm giving it names because what I wanted to do is to change between them once I press the sign up or the other one. So to hide one of the two, the login one is already completed, so I'm going to hide it. To hide it, I can go here to visibility and put it on gone. If I put gone, it's going to disappear from the screen, and I can finally work here, see what am I doing. Okay. Again, now I'm going to design it as I designed the login one. But thinking about register. Okay, we can add a title. Let's add here a title. Okay, and let's write it. Let's give it a name. Let's give it the text and sign up for my application. Okay, that's the title of this view. Great. Let's add now. We need three elements. We need a password, an email, edit text. We need a password edit text. We need a repeat password edit text. Okay, we're going to put them at the same, at least try to put them at the same level of this. And we will add down here another two buttons. Okay, here, 1 and 2. Okay, one will be, let's change the text here already. Let's put, will be confirm, to confirm the new user information, and the other will be cancel, to go back to login view. Okay, see if it allows me to change the text. Very nice. It doesn't. Okay, what the hell? Okay, cancel. Great. Now we have to give them names because we have to access them. Again, ET email sign up. Let's call it ET password sign up. We have to name them differently from the ones up here because they're all in the same context. And if we call them the same, it will give us an error. ET repeat repassword sign up. Okay. This one is the ET button confirm sign up, and this one is going to be button cancel sign up. Enter. Okay, great. Now the last part is to add the constraints. As always, we start from the one from up down. Okay, we add this one and now this one as well. This one too. But if you don't want it to do all that changing, just add it the ones, the last one you don't add it, like you just add these ones like this. Okay, so you won't move around. You don't have to add the 4 of them, just add 3 of them is enough to relate them to the one that comes above. Okay, here and here. Great. Oh, problem, you don't have to. I think the best is not to relate those two buttons between them. Just leave it like that. Okay, great. So now, what does it tell me? Yeah, we just have to add the one, the screen to the right. Okay, now we have. Okay, it's working. We have enough constraints for it to work. Let's add the hint. New email. Password. And repeat password. Great. So now we have to go to our coding side. Okay, we go to our main activity and we start adding more functions. We need multiple functions for the on-click. We need to add, for example, an on-click, not on-click functions, but you can call on-click login. It's going to be on-click sign up, for example. We're going to add another one called on-click confirm sign up. Sorry. And we're going to add another on-click called cancel sign up. Okay, so if we go back to our main here, now we have 4 different functions for the 4 different buttons here on the left. Okay, because I can't see this one right now because it's gone. I'm going to change it from here, from this position here. Okay, so I am going to assign to this one, to the button sign up. You will see it doesn't have any on-click function associated here. So you will see now it has 4 different options. The sign up here has to be linked to this one. Yeah, that's what I want. the button confirm have to be assigned to the confirm sign up, and the button, the cancel, will have to be assigned to cancel sign up. So now I have all the buttons assigned to the different functions here. Now they are not they have color, which means they're being used. Okay, great. And finally, I want to show you how we change we're gonna make the option to change visibility. Okay, we will now put this visible again, and this we're going to turn into invisible. So we go to the visibility of the sign up section, because when we enter our app, by default, the sign up is gone as well. It's not visible, and the login is visible. Okay, so we want that when we press the sign up, this turns invisible and this turns visible. That's what we want the functionality to do. So we go into the sign up here, and what we do is to access the CL login. Where is it? Why it's not showing it? Let's see here. It's because it's with a capital L. So we access CL login. Okay, we can't. Great. The constraints cannot be accessed from here. Okay, so what we will have to do, let's see the text. This is because it has the space here. It was a small mistake. It shouldn't have a space. This one works well. This one has it. Let me try here. Again, CL login. Now we can. So we're gonna access the visual element CL login. We're gonna tell in set visibility, or visibility, equals view dot gone. When we press the sign up button, we want it to be gone, and the CL sign up visibility view, we want it to be visible. Okay, same here. On the other hand, when we press on the console of the visible, it's the other way around. We want this to be visible and this to be gone. If we try to execute now the app, what we will see is that when we press the sign up, it will hide one and show the other. And when we press the cancel, it will show the other and hide one. Now it's failing. As you can see, it's showing everything. That's not right. Now we're gonna check why it's not showing, why it's showing everything. The sign up should be gone, and it's not gone. Let's try it again. Okay, it's not working. Let me try it by code, just a second. When the app starts, here on the onCreate, it's the other way around. We're going to use this one. CL is visible, the login is visible, and this is invisible. Let's try it again. Now it's working. Okay. For some reason, when it starts, it shows everything. So we have to